Okay, everyone, Detroit Bilt 3100 psi 2.7 GPM power washer works great. Got it last year. I do once a month power wash with this machine about 4 hours, and it's been working great. I was waiting to do a review on this machine until I ran it a little bit, and looks like it works pretty good. So if you're thinking on buying one, that would be a great machine for the price that I paid, around $300 for it. And today we got the attachment, the 15-inch easy clean 15-inch surface cleaner. So we're going to give it a test and see if we can get that oil stain out of there. I got it soaking with a little bit of just Dawn soap, and we'll see what happens. Well, there you go. As you can see, I went on top of the big stain, and you can see where the line marks where that easy clean sprayer hits the ground, and it looks like it gets most of the dirt up. And we'll see about the stain down the road. I mean, it's oil, and oil is very difficult to get off the floor. But anyways, I just want to do a little test run because I basically bought this easy 15-inch cleaner for a painted sidewalks that I do. And stay tuned, I'll be doing in the next few days a review on it. And it kind of glides okay because the wheel doesn't have any the big wheel doesn't have any wheels on it, and just the pressure of the power washer will keep it gliding a little bit. On this rough surface it glides okay. So the big test, this will be in the next couple of days, and see how that works on a more smoother surfaces. But I'm impressed how you can see the difference where I went over it on this black asphalt, and I think it cleaned up pretty good. So we'll see what happens. Thank you for watching. If you like it, thumbs up, and thank you very much.